Hello and welcome to day 27 of our Osteoporosis Awareness Challenge. Today we'll be talking about the benefits of broccoli for bone health. Broccoli is one of my favorite vegetables, and it has a lot going for it health-wise. Before I get into the benefits that it has for bone health, I want to briefly mention that it's also helpful for improving our digestion and reducing constipation. It also helps to lower our bad cholesterol, controlling our blood sugar levels, and it also helps to prevent cancer. It can also potentially help us to age well and maintain our cognitive abilities. Major win. Research about broccoli and brain function have been studied in animals, and the research is really hopeful. More research would need to be done to safely say that about humans who eat broccoli, but I'm excited about its potential. In looking at broccoli's benefits for bone health, it's a good source of calcium and vitamins K, A, C, and zinc. Broccoli is low in oxalates, which makes it a readily available source of calcium. In 1 cup of broccoli, there are about 70 milligrams of calcium, with the bioavailability close to 60%. That means that you actually get about 40 milligrams of calcium from 1 cup of broccoli. Some different ways that you can incorporate broccoli into your diet include steaming, sauteing, and roasting. I find that broccoli makes a great addition to different dishes too. One of my favorite ways to eat broccoli at the moment is to add it to pasta after it's already cooked. I saute some onions and kale with broccoli together, and then I add some fresh basil and the juice of 1 lemon and pour all my vegetables into my pasta. Man, is that good. Broccoli can also be added to soups, stews, steamed and served as a simple side, or even pureed and added to meatballs. So I got this idea from Deceptively Delicious when my kids were little, but they make a very tasty meatball when combined with ground beef and garlic. I have a couple of different meatball recipes made with broccoli that are in today's video description, so check them out. One of them has meat and the other is a vegetarian version. The vegetarian version does have egg and cheese. The cheese could easily be substituted with a vegan parmesan, but the egg acts as a binder. So if anyone out there has experience in vegan cooking and making vegan meatballs, please share in the comments what you do and what you use to act as a binder. I would love to hear about what you do. So, circling back to our daily osteoporosis challenge, today I invite you to include broccoli in your food preparation. And on that note, I look forward to seeing you tomorrow.